Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your online transactions with Authorize.net easy tutorial step-by-step clearly. Start by visiting the Authorize.net website. Click on the sign up button if you don't have an account. Fill in the required business information. Next, enter your personal information, including your name and email address. Create a strong password to secure your account. After filling in your details, review the terms and conditions before proceeding. Submit your application and wait for a confirmation email. Once you receive the confirmation, log in to your Authorize.net account. Navigate to the Merchant Settings section in your dashboard. Here, you will find options to manage security settings. Enable the Customer Information Manager to store customer data securely. Check the Fraud Detection Suite to activate additional security tools. Set parameters for transaction filtering to mitigate risks. Next, go to the Payment Form settings. Customize your payment form to include SSL encryption for secure data transfer. Make sure to enable HTTPS for all your online transactions. Test your payment form by performing a test transaction. Once you're satisfied, implement the payment form on your website. Monitor your transactions regularly for any unusual activity. Finally, keep your account information and passwords updated to enhance security. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.